Feel like your mind is running in a million directions, struggling to make sense of it all? What if this full moon could help you clear the mental clutter and find clarity? Stick around because today we're exploring how the full moon in Gemini can illuminate and clarify your thoughts and spark meaningful communication with fresh perspectives. Gemini is an air sign known for its intellectual, adaptable, and expressive energy. It's a sign that thrives on communication, learning, and social connection. During the full moon, these energies are amplified, bringing clarity and opportunities for growth through mental stimulation. Now let's talk about the full moon's core energies. Full moons are a time of culmination and release, when things come to light and we see the fruits of our labor. The energy is heightened, and it's a perfect time to release what no longer serves you, especially mental clutter and unspoken truths. With Gemini's curious and intellectual energy, combined with the full moon's illumination, this is a time to gain insights, see things from a different perspective, and clear away mental fog. It's a moment for expressing yourself, clarifying your thoughts, and sharing your ideas with the world. But like all energy, there's a shadow side. Gemini's quick-moving, scattered nature can lead to overwhelm, superficiality, and restlessness. You might find yourself bouncing from idea to idea, feeling mentally drained, or avoiding deep emotional truths. Similarly, the full moon energy can bring up shadows, unresolved feelings or habits that need to be let go of. Pay attention to decision fatigue, emotional overwhelm, and a tendency to avoid facing the real issues. To really tune into the full moon's energy, look up your rising sign to see where the moon is transiting. This will show you where in your life the moon's illumination is most felt. Here are full moon affirmations for each of the 12 rising signs and 12 houses to guide you through their energies. Gemini rising, first house. Focus on how you communicate and present yourself. This is your moment to clarify your personal identity. For Gemini rising, moon in the first house. Focus on how you communicate and present yourself. This is your moment to clarify your personal identity. Affirmation: I embrace and express my authentic self with clarity and confidence. Taurus rising, moon in the second house. This full moon may bring insights into your money habits or self-worth related to your ideas. Affirmation: I value my unique talents and I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. Aries rising, moon in the third house. The perfect time for new learning and revelations about how you express yourself. Affirmation: I communicate my truth clearly and I am open to new perspectives and ideas. Pisces rising, moon in the fourth house. Pay attention to family dynamics or feelings that you've kept unspoken. Affirmation: I release past emotional burdens and open my heart to peace and harmony in my home. Aquarius rising, moon in the fifth house. If you've been holding back in your creative expression, the full moon can help you release those fears. Affirmation: I joyfully express my creativity and embrace the joy of living authentically. Capricorn rising, moon in the sixth house. Focus on your mental health and how your daily habits affect your well-being. Affirmation: I nurture my body and mind with healthy habits that support my well-being and growth. Sagittarius rising, moon in the seventh house. A great time to clear the air in your relationships and set new expectations. Affirmation: I open my heart to healthy, balanced relationships and communicate my needs clearly. Scorpio rising, moon in the eighth house. Let go of outdated thoughts or obsessions that have been holding you back. Affirmation: I release what no longer serves me and embrace transformation with trust and confidence. Libra rising, moon in the ninth house. Expand your worldview or release limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Affirmation: I open my mind to new possibilities and embrace growth in all areas of my life. Virgo rising, moon in the 10th house. Gain clarity in your career goals or public communication. Affirmation: I confidently step into my purpose and express my vision with clarity and determination. Leo rising, moon in the 11th house. This is a great time to connect with like-minded people and expand your social network. Affirmation: I attract positive, supportive connections that align with my highest good. Cancer rising, moon in the 12th house. Dive deep into your subconscious and uncover hidden thoughts or patterns. Affirmation: I trust my intuition and embrace the wisdom of my subconscious to guide my journey. These affirmations focus on the unique energy of each house, helping you align your intentions with the full moon's power and influence. For rituals, Gemini's energy invites you to engage in practices that clear mental fog and open pathways for self-expression. Some powerful symbols for this full moon include the twin, the butterfly, and the quill. Colors like yellow, silver, light blue, and lavender resonate with Gemini's energy. Consider rituals like journaling to declutter your mind, speaking affirmations to release what no longer serves you, or connecting with others through deep conversations. Breathwork can also help ground you and release nervous energy. Here's an example of a simple ritual for the Gemini full moon. Set aside a time to journal about what ideas or beliefs need to be released. Take a few moments to connect with your breath, then write down your thoughts. Afterward, read your words aloud and let go of what feels heavy. The full moon in Gemini invites you to speak your truth, release mental clutter, and embrace your curiosity. It's a time to explore ideas, connect with others, and illuminate the thoughts that shape your world. And remember, astrology offers insights but does not determine your fate. You have the power to shape your life through your own actions and choices. If this Gemini energy sparks something in you, like and subscribe for more insights on the astrology of each full moon. Let me know in the comments how you plan to embrace this lunation's energy. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye.